Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us face when using our devices. A mysterious error message that keeps popping up out of nowhere and disrupting our workflow. Yes, you guessed it right, we're talking about the pesky error could not be completed problem. Now, onto the solution to this annoying issue. The fix is actually quite simple. All you need to do is reset your device's network settings. By doing this, you're essentially giving your device a fresh start in terms of network connections, which can often resolve any underlying issues causing the error message to appear. Just head over to your device's settings, find the option to reset network settings, and voila, your problem should be solved. Remember, it's important to note that resetting network settings will remove any saved Wi-Fi passwords, so make sure you have those handy before proceeding with the solution. Once you've done that, give a device a quick reboot, and you should be good to go. In summary, the next time you encounter the frustrating error could not be completed problem, don't panic. Simply follow the solution we discussed today by resetting your device's network settings, and you'll be back to smooth sailing in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy troubleshooting.